In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up Outlook calendar. If your calendar feels cluttered or you're missing important appointments in the noise, this quick cleanup will help you get organized and stay on top of what matters. We'll work in the Outlook web app, and I'll walk you through a simple flow. Open your calendar, switch to a clearer view, remove what you don't need, and optionally unsubscribe from extra calendars. First, open Outlook on the web. Head to outlook.com or office.com, select Outlook, and then go to Calendar. Make sure you're looking at the Calendar tab rather than Mail. If you use multiple accounts, confirm you're signed into the one whose calendar you want to clean up. Next, switch to Agenda View to make cleanup easier. Click View and choose Agenda. This view lays out your events in a concise list, so you can quickly scan upcoming items without scrolling through a full day or week grid. It's perfect for spotting duplicates, old placeholders, and events you no longer need. You can navigate dates using the mini calendar on the left or the arrows at the top to move through your schedule while staying in this streamlined view. Now start removing events you don't want. Click an event to open it, then select Delete. If it's a recurring meeting, Outlook will ask whether you want to delete just this occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that matches your intent. If you're the organizer, deleting a meeting will typically send a cancellation to attendees. If you're just an attendee, deleting it will remove it from your calendar without affecting everyone else. Take a moment to double check the title and date before confirming, especially with recurring series. If your sidebar is full of calendars you don't actually use, remove those subscriptions to reduce visual clutter. In the lower left list of calendars, right-click a calendar you don't want and choose Remove. This unsubscribes you from that calendar, so its events no longer appear, but it won't touch your primary calendar or any events you own. As an optional deep clean, you can remove entire calendars like holiday sets or shared calendars. For these, right-click and choose Remove. Alternatively, open the calendar and select Delete Calendar. This is a quick way to wipe out a noisy calendar in one go without affecting your personal or work calendar. That's it. By using Agenda View, deleting unwanted events, and removing extra calendars, you'll keep Outlook lean, clear, and ready for the things that matter.